Hello, I'm selling the size 15 hush puppies. They're brown or tan, I think is the official description. You can see they're still in excellent condition. It's got the logo on the back. I haven't even had time to wear out the insoles yet. Still got all the lettering. You can see just there's a little scuffing on the front of this one. And around, all the rest is great. Even the bottom hasn't even had time to wear down the writing. And then the other one, just about the same, a few little scuffs and nicks on the front. And everything else is still in great condition. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to help. Thanks for looking.